Nick right here, Spring Break host, MTV Real World, MTV Duel, MTV Ruins, all that good stuff. I'm here right now, South Padre Island, with the Nursery Tours, partying my Spring Break off of the month. Why should you party with the Nursery Tours? Well, first of all, they've got me. Second of all, they got a host of other Real World MTV people from Angelina, Cyrus, CT, Jessica, Laura Wink, the list goes on and on.
Yeah.
The man, the myth, the legend over here. What's going on, brother?
I'm living life.
Living
I am
life.
going to be 44 years of age tomorrow.
And he's still on Spring Break.
Look at this. Spring Break 2013. Stick around. All the rest of the crew, Nursery Tours, Global Group, doing it big. See you guys 2014. If you miss this year, don't miss that next year.
Don't miss next year. If you miss
If you
next
do, you quit. If you miss next year, you quit. And I'll be 45.
and still on Spring Break.
Damn right. Out of here, bye.
Obviously, you can see we spread the love all around here at the Nursery Tours on Spring Break for South Padre. Even more reason to party with us. We like to have everybody from all over the nation. Whether it's Illinois, Nebraska, Oklahoma, wherever, Wisconsin, Indiana, we want you to come down and party with us because we want to give you the best Spring Break experience of your life. And we will guarantee it with a money-back guarantee. You heard that right, a money-back guarantee. 2013 Spring Break, South Padre, Nick Brown. Don't forget to check out my song, Take Me Home, which has become the Spring Break anthem. Alright? Signing out.